What's up, Gram Fam? Welcome to another episode of Look at This Shit. Today we are going to talk about coprolite. And coprolite is basically fossilized animal dung. So coprolites are basically fossilized poop. They can come from all over the world, and they're in all shapes and sizes. It just depends on the animal that produced them. And coprolites are important because they tell us a lot of information about the animal that created them. You may be asking, how are coprolites formed? And there's a few different mechanisms that create coprolites. But basically, when an animal defecates, the poop can get buried by sediment. And as the sediment hardens over time, the poop becomes fossilized, preserving it for millions of years. Coprolites can be found in sedimentary rocks like sandstone and shale. So we can learn a lot of useful information when we study coprolites. Coprolites tell us what animals ate, which give us important information about the environment they lived in. For example, if we find coprolites during a particular time period that contain a lot of plant material in it, then we can infer that the area was heavily forested. Coprolites also can tell us the shape, size of the animal that produced them, and by studying them, scientists can learn a lot about diets, behavior, and the habitats that the animals lived in. So there you have it. Brief introduction to coprolites. These fossilized pieces of poop might not be the most glamorous fossil, but they can tell us a lot about the animals that left them behind. And if you think that your collection needs some shit like this, then come on down to Geology Rocks, Chico, San Diego. Come get one for yourself.